Okay, y'all, let me tell you about this Lotus trolley bag. OMG, it made grocery shopping actually kind of fun. You can see how it kind of operates. What I really like about it is this insulated, there's tons of things that I like about it, honestly, but this insulated thing is super clutch. All of my vegan code things that need to be, kept cool. I really love these reusable bags for your produce. Like, everything about this thing is just amazing. I love it. And you'll notice that these little things, they are by size, right? So at the start, at the top of your basket, it's a little bit wider, and then it narrows down. So the trolley bag is kind of customized to fit really like standard size grocery carts. And then here, these actually insert to kind of keep them stable, and it won't move around a lot, y'all. And then you just kind of pop them out like that. And then look, it gets better. These are all like detachable, so you can actually like carry these things like little bags. Y'all, oh my God, in love, in love, in love, in love, in love, in love.